Okay, we're back. And as usual, we've been digging around in the AI agent store, looking at the tools popping up.
Yep, always interesting stuff in there.
And today, we zeroed in on something that feels pretty significant, especially for anyone deep in the creator economy or performance marketing space.
Right. We're talking about an agent called ReelFarm. It's listed under video AI agents specifically.
ReelFarm.
Yeah.
And our goal today really is to figure out how this thing works as a kind of shortcut, right, for creating video content at scale.
Exactly. It's built for volume. Basically, ReelFarm's main job is to auto-generate those, UGC-style TikTok videos.
User-generated content style, yeah. The ones that look kind of raw, authentic.
Precisely. And it's not just generating them. It's designed to help schedule posting, too, all aimed at, well, driving traffic and making ads work better.
Okay, so who is this really built for? It sounds pretty specific.
It definitely is. Think performance marketers, e-commerce founders, media buyers.
Social media managers, creative strategists.
Yeah, all of them. People who need a lot of creative, maybe testing different angles for ads, and they need it fast and ideally cheap. It's for professionals needing to scale up their video output.
Right. Takes the pain out of producing dozens of variations manually. Okay, so how does it actually do that? What are the features?
Well, it generates these clips using templates. It can add voiceovers, sometimes using AI voices or even AI avatars to sort of mimic a person talking.
The AI avatar is interesting. And it handles things like hooks and captions automatically.
That's the idea. It tries to automate adding those catchy opening hooks and the text overlays you see everywhere. It lets users batch produce creatives for ads or just organic posts.
Okay, and this ties into its autonomy level, right? We saw it listed at 66%.
Yeah, 66%. That number reflects how much of the end-to-end process it can handle on its own.
So generating scripts, hooks, visuals, maybe even publishing. It does about 2/3 of that without needing constant manual input.
That's basically it, which is, pretty autonomous, but there's still that other third.
The 34%. What's left for the human?
Strategy, oversight, quality control. The AI can generate variations like crazy, but you still need to set the campaign goal, pick the best templates based on what's working, maybe tweak the scripts.
And critically, approve the final output before it goes live.
Exactly. It takes away the grind of actually filming, editing, maybe even writing initial drafts, but not the strategic thinking behind it all.
Makes sense. And how are people using this in practice? Like real-world examples?
We're seeing DTC brands, direct-to-consumer brands, use it heavily for A/B testing ad creatives.
Ah, okay. So instead of hiring a creator for maybe 1 or 2 video concepts.
Right, which can get expensive fast. They can use ReelFarm to generate, say, 10 or 20 variations based on different hooks or calls to action, and then test them all quickly on TikTok or other platforms.
And see what actually performs without breaking the bank.
Precisely. It allows for really rapid iteration. See what sticks, double down, kill what doesn't. It's about making creative testing more efficient.
It feels like this is part of a bigger trend, doesn't it? Industrializing authenticity, almost.
That's a good way to put it. Small teams or even solo entrepreneurs can potentially achieve content velocity that used to require a much larger setup. We saw mentions of significant drops in cost per acquisition for some users.
But there's got to be a catch, right? If everyone starts using similar tools, similar templates, these AI avatars.
That's the big question. Does everything start to look the same?
Yeah. Does this optimization for performance, for cheap clicks, come at the cost of like genuine brand uniqueness or creativity?
That is definitely a tension point people are talking about.
Yeah.
The advantage right now is the speed and the cost, especially for testing.
So the smart users are probably customizing heavily.
You'd hope so. They're likely using the AI as an engine, providing strong direction, tweaking outputs significantly to keep their brand voice intact, rather than just hitting generate and walking away. It's tapping right into that huge need in marketing and e-commerce for fast, affordable, creative.
So wrapping this up, what does this mean for you listening? I mean, think about getting 66% of your creative production time back.
Yeah, what would you do with that reclaimed time and energy?
Would you focus more on high-level strategy, explore new marketing channels, maybe just get more sleep?
Maybe. It's definitely something to consider how automation like this could shift your focus.
Well, we appreciate you tuning in for this look at ReelFarm and the automation wave in content creation.
Hope it was useful.
And if you did find it useful, please take a moment to rate the show. It really helps other people discover it.
And as always, you can start your own exploration of tools like this over at aiagentstore.ai.